Hello everyone, this is Rajan from Chennai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been more than 30 days since I quit my IT job. Let me just show you how much I have earned in the past 30 days. That is January month income. And is it even worth quitting my job or is it even better? Let me just show you how it is. Hello friends, so welcome again. So in this video I'm going to show you my profit and loss statement of the month of January 2020. I'll just show you the equity. Okay, there is no trade in equity. In futures, it is 65,000 rupees profit, and I'm not sure why it is not including the charges. The charges would be around at least 3k or 4k. So the profit is around 61,000 or 62,000. Let me look at the charges. I'm not sure why the charges are not being shown. Okay, so the charge is okay, way higher than what I thought. 4.79k is the charge and the profit is 60,000. Okay, and these are the trades that I had taken during the month of January. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 trades. And not only that, I have taken multiple trades in Ultratech Cement and Ujjivan. So whenever I see a pattern, I make sure that I make the most out of those patterns. And in Tech Mahindra, okay, and HCL Tech also. So totally 21 trades. I just calculated it, and it is 21 trades totally. And out of the 21 trades, 4 trades went into a loss. And actually, ITC is not a loss. I bought and sold at the same price. This 200 is just the stamp duty, taxes, and other charges. Let me just calculate the accuracy of my trades, which will be 21 minus 4 is equal to 17 divided by 21 equal to into 100 is equal to, okay, 81%. Almost 81% is my accuracy. Normally it will be in the range of 85 to 90%. This time, because of the ITC and the order error from ONGC, this was supposed to be another 7k profit, but due to the order error, my manual error, of course, it's my mistake. So yeah, this is my earnings. And the beauty of it is that if I just increase it to one more quantity, the profits would be 1.2 lakhs. So what I would suggest everyone who is starting, or anyone who has already started and who was having a hard time earning money, is that initially focus on the learning. I will also be posting many other strategies in the upcoming videos. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and click that bell icon so that you get notified. Thank you very much for listening to this with patience. Let me just share you my experience of being a full-time day trader for 1 month. The advantage and the disadvantage. Okay, so the advantage is that I am the boss, and I am responsible for everything, be it a loss or a profit. I am the decision maker here, and it also feels good to do something that you are passionate about. Yes, and then the disadvantage is that the pressure is always there. No matter how good you are at trading, it doesn't matter, the pressure will always be there. But when you stick with the plan and when you are disciplined enough, you should be good. So when it comes to my personal life, I'll be honest, I'm not that disciplined. But when it comes to the trading, I'll try to be the most disciplined one. This is what I have learned from the full-time traders that I have met in the past year. And they try to stick with their weekly goals. So let's say they are trading on Monday and Tuesday and they achieve the target on the same day, they won't trade further. Let's say they find a potential on Thursday, even when they see a potential, they don't trade, and that is why they are successful no matter what, because that discipline will save from the huge loss one time. So I am trying to be the same. I don't look for opportunities desperately. I trade only when there is an opportunity. And I don't there is also a common myth that you can trade whenever you want when you are a full-time day trader. No, it's not like that actually. So You have to wait for the stock market, you have to wait for the opportunities to come. You don't set conditions for stock market. If you set conditions, you will lose money. This I was doing the same 3 years back. So what I would do is log in at 11 or 12 o'clock and put on some indicators like moving averages, RSI, oscillators, and some other things. And when it says a buy or sell, when the conditions are met, I will buy, and I'll lose my capital. So this has been going right. So I have explained in detail in the first video. In case if you haven't seen, please watch it.